I started my YouTube channel just under a year ago, and last week I released my 50th video. It's a milestone for me. I'm a health-conscious person, and I take what I eat very seriously. It's the reason why I started this channel. I always want to know what's best for my health and the health of my family. Ultimately, it translates to the entrees I choose to put on my menu at my restaurant. There are a lot of misconceptions out there and a lot of opinions, and it's very easy to get caught up in what may be the greatest or latest assumptions.
I think the keto diet is
What about the carnivore diet?
No, the best diet
did the carnivore diet 6 years in Alaska.
Stop. Hold on. Stay in control.
It's difficult to know which way is the right way to go, but if you dig a little deeper, you'll find out that there is one thing that everybody, and I mean absolutely everybody, agrees on, and it's undeniable. You cannot live without food or water. The last few months, they've been really trying on all of us and have made the majority of us realize how important it is to keep our bodies at their healthiest. So I choose to put in my body the best food that I can find. And I need to establish, for my own personal benefit, what is the best food. I decided years ago that the best food is simple, pure, unadulterated food that's free from chemicals, free from man-made ingredients, free from genetically modified ingredients, food that has not been heavily processed. And to produce that type of food either takes a lot of time or costs a lot of money. The purpose of this channel, in a lighthearted way, is to show you how to eat healthy, save money, and cook like a pro. There are ways of purchasing ingredients that are truly good for you at about the same cost of inexpensive food that may contain harmful additives or be of inferior quality. And my experience in the restaurant industry for 44 years will show you how to prepare simple dishes quickly and easily with wholesome ingredients. Help my cause, please, by sharing my videos each week and by clicking the subscribe button. It's located right under my videos on YouTube. Thank you for
why don't you roll out some of that food porn?
Food porn. Nice way to put it, jackass. Please leave your comments and suggestions down below. I really appreciate you and look forward to releasing the next 50 videos.